welcome to Lian's kitchen. Today let's make tuna cake. Let's prepare the ingredients. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. The shiitake mushroom has been soaked in water for 4 hours, and the dry shrimp has been soaked for 1 hour. The exact amount is in the description box. Let's start by peeling the turnip. Cut off the end after. Then julienne the turnip. Next, mince the garlic. Then cut off the stem from the mushroom. And then we mince it. Next, mince the dry shrimp. And then mince the Chinese sausage. Now we add the oil into the hot pan. And then we add the dry shrimp. Then the garlic, shiitake mushroom, Chinese sausage, and the turnip. Cook all the way through. Then add the salt, oyster sauce, and white pepper. Mix it all in. And add the water. Let it simmer for 2 minutes. Remove from the heat for 3 minutes before adding the rice flour and with starch. And mix well. In the baking tray, spread the oil. And add the mixture in. Steam for 50 minutes. Make sure to refill the water in the middle of the cook. Make sure the middle is not gooey. take it out and rest for 5 hours. Remove from the tray. Now cut into few pieces. Pan-fry both sides until golden brown. Remove from the pan and it's done. Wow, looks good. Time for this next. The outside has a nice crust. It is a little crispy and soft on the inside. It is savory, and you can taste shiitake mushroom, Chinese sausage, and a hint of the dry shrimp. It's very good, very tasty. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。